Hi! For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create custom design templates using dslrBooth's built-in template editor. Let's go! So we'll start with creating a new template. And then please note that in this template design, we will not be using Photoshop, but instead we'll use our previously created graphics from our previous projects. So first we're going to drop a background, and then we're going to add a pre-made border layout. So you can see here we have the choices, and then we're gonna pick one, probably this one. And then we're going to add some decorations for our text. So let's choose this one. Okay, we'll choose this one. All right, this is like kind of that dream catcher. All right, and then we will add the photos. Let's add some photos from photo booth. So these are the placeholders for the captured photos. So in this layout we have 4, so we just resize it to fit the border. Don't worry that it's like overlapping. We can arrange the order later, so those boxes would be below or under the beneath the border layouts. That's so. And then so we change the order and then put this up top, like so. All right, and then we're going to add some texts. So let's pretend this is for 16th birthday. So oops, so we'll just drag the text here and then change it. First, let's change it to white so it will have a good contrast against the background, and then we'll have pretend this is for Andrea. And then let's go change that font to something girly. Have another one. All right, this one looks nice. Let's scale it up. Okay, like so. And then let's add some shadow. Let's adjust it to look like they belong to each other, like so. Okay, and then we need to add some more text. Sweet 16. Okay, and then we're going to drag it below Andrea. Okay. All right, then let's change also the font to something more bold. Okay, this one, and then change the color so it will pop out against the background. Something gold like this, or brownish gold. Yeah, this one looks good. All right, and let's also add a backdrop shadow so it will match. And there you go, a template ready. So you can like make final adjustments if you want, move everything, move something like that. Okay, so it will line up perfectly, and it's done. So easy, so quick, less than 5 minutes. So of course you can further customize your layout, but instead of creating from the 4 border template, you can further customize it by using a single border. For example, let me show you how to do that quickly. So the same thing, we'll start with backgrounds. So this time we'll choose this denim background like this, and then we will select a border, a box border. So go here, and then this time we'll choose this one. Looking good. All right, so just to show you that we can like really do creative stuff here, let's rotate this a bit and then duplicate this one, and then rotate this the other way. Let's put this down like so, over here. Whatever you want to, wherever you want to put it. And then let's add one more. This one, let's put it over here like so. So let's put this one on top like that, and then lower it a bit. Oops, daisy. Okay, something like that. And then we add the text. Oh no, I mean the photo placeholder. So like that, and then two more for these two over here. Then let's also rotate this one, -5. Scale it up. Scale it up. Okay. And this one. And this one. Just copy the width, 528. And there you go. Next thing to do is we arrange the order. So we need this photo under this one, under this border. So we put it there. And this 2 and 3 will be under these borders. So 2 and 3 under over box denim 1, like so. And then the same thing, we're going to add like a banner, text banner over there. So we'll go here, and then we'll choose one over this one. Okay, like that. Or probably not this one, but choose the other one. Okay, this one, let's put it over here. Okay, like that maybe. And then the same thing we did with the other text. We put, probably this is for a wedding. Oops. Rotate. And then we change the font to, okay, whatever font you like, the same way we did with Andrea previously. So there you go, guys. That's another way to fully customize your template using the assets that we have. I'm sure you already have graphics that you already created, so it's very easy to create your own collection. But if you don't want to go through the hassle of creating these graphics, you'll be happy to know that I will have these graphics available for download. Of course, for a small fee that I will be still haven't decided yet. So by the time this video will be uploaded, I will be adding the link, and I will be adding also more graphics in this collection that you can use in your design layout. So hopefully this will be able to help you, especially if you really need a quick template designing on your events. There you go, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please click on that notification bell so you will be notified on our next tutorial videos. Bye bye.